In this video, we'll bleed the brakes. There are many ways to bleed the brakes, but we'll show the two-person method. Fill the brake fluid reservoir with .3 or .4 brake fluid. It's a good idea to fill it to the top to prevent pulling in air while bleeding. Keep an eye on the level and top it off if it gets low. After a few minutes, check for leaks at the reservoir and master cylinder. Use a screwdriver to manually actuate the parking brake mechanism. This will extend the piston until the pads bottom out against the rotor. Keep going until the arm no longer reaches the stop. Do the same to the other rear caliper. On the right rear caliper, remove the rubber cap and loosen the bleeder with an 11mm wrench. Attach a short length of 1/4-inch clear tubing to the bleeder. Stick the other end of the tubing into a bottle. Have a helper pump the brake pedal. Temporarily installing the driver's seat will make this step easier. Watch for the fluid to start flowing out of the caliper. Keep pumping the brake pedal until only fluid and no bubbles comes out. Then have your helper press and hold the pedal. Turn the bleeder in to seal it. Remove the tubing and tighten the bleeder with the box end of the wrench. Once it is tight, your helper can release the pedal. Repeat these steps to bleed the left rear caliper. Top off the brake fluid before moving to the front calipers. Adapt the clear tube to the front bleeders with a 5/32 ID hose, and then repeat the previous steps on the right front caliper. Finally, bleed the left front caliper. Have your helper push very firmly on the brake pedal while you check for leaks. Check at the master cylinder, both brake tees, the hose connections, and the bleeders themselves. If you have any leaks, try to tighten the fittings a little bit more. If you have a stubborn leak, reach out to us.